Hey everyone, I'm Arunima. Welcome to my channel Artsy Arunima. In today's video, I'm gonna draw a Durga Puja or Navratri special mandala art. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. I have roughly drawn this with pencil and now I am using black pen over the pencil marks. If you enjoy the video, then do like, comment and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for more of such tutorial videos. If you like my content, then you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook also. Links are given in the description box and also in my channel about section. To do the background, I have taken a piece of plastic and red, orange and yellow brush pens. Now spray some water over this, turn it and place it very carefully over the paper. If you recreate any of my artworks, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook while uploading them. Now I will draw the mandala patterns. Using golden brown pencil color to do the trident. So this is the final look of today's mandala. So that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Wish you all a very happy festive season. See you in the next video. Bye bye.